Welcome. Today we are going to see Chemical Reaction Engineering 2 refreshing course on Unit 4 Kinetics of a Fluid Reaction. We have already seen this Unit 4 in the classroom. I am just going to refresh important topics on this. We are going to discuss 8 different cases. These 8 different cases will be important for your university point of view. You can expect any 2 cases for your university exam. So we are going to see all those 8 cases here. Stoichiometry of the reaction. Here the gaseous reactant A reacts with the liquid reactant B and gives the product R. So here the gaseous reactant A will move towards the liquid reactant B, and this gaseous reactant A will be soluble in the liquid reactant B. There exists an equilibrium where Henry's law comes into account, and this liquid reactant will never enter into the gas phase. This liquid reactant will remain in the liquid film itself, and the reaction will take place when the gaseous reactant is coming towards the liquid reactant and the product R will be formed. So the rate equation can be written as minus RA equal to K into CaCb. And this heterogeneous fluid reaction have two important industrial applications. The first one is purification of a product, and the second one is production of specific product. Example, production of nitric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. For purification of product, you can take example as removal of hydrogen sulfide. And this rate equation can be defined in terms of volume of reactor or in terms of interfacial surface area. So it is mentioned as minus RA power 4 dash for volume of reactor, minus RA power double dash for interfacial surface area. You can relate the rate equation in terms of volume of reactor and in terms of interfacial area in this form. Minus RA power double dash equal to minus RA power 4 dash divided by A. We are going to see 8 different cases. Case A is instantaneous reaction with low Cb. So here we have gas film, liquid film, and in this middle line is called gas liquid interface, and this is going to be the main body of the liquid. Here what happens is reactant A is coming towards the liquid film, and here you can see that there is decrease in concentration. This is because of the mass transfer resistance. Mass transfer, you can consider this line as mass transfer resistance. Only because of this mass transfer resistance there is decrease in pressure from Pa to PaI and decrease in concentration to CaI. And then this liquid reactant comes towards the reaction plane. This gaseous reactant is coming towards the reaction plane, as well as this liquid reactant B is also coming towards the reaction plane. So the reaction is taking place at the reaction plane in the liquid film, and here also you can see that the concentration is decreasing. This is because the same mass transfer resistance will always exist in the gas film as well as in the liquid film. That is the reason we can always see that there is decrease in the concentration of the profile. This is because of the mass transfer resistance. And here the reaction is taking place in the liquid film at the reaction plane. So you can say that liquid film controls for instantaneous reaction with low Cb. And here we have mentioned it is low Cb. So in the profile diagram you can observe that the concentration of B is lower than the pressure Pa. So it is low Cb. And what is instantaneous reaction? Instantaneous reaction is the reaction which takes place at very faster rate. Since the reaction is taking place at very faster rate, all the reaction will take place within this liquid film itself. It will not cross the main body of the liquid. Now, how can you say that whether the reaction is instantaneous with low Cb or not? If this condition is satisfied, you can say that this is instantaneous reaction with low Cb. That is KAgPa is greater than or equal to KBlCb by B. And the small b is the stoichiometric coefficient of the liquid reactant. And this is going to be the rate equation. In the rate equation, you can find that we have diffusivity term of A and B, Henry's law constant, partial pressure, then Kag, Kal or the mass transfer coefficient. So now we have seen instantaneous reaction with low Cb. Next we are going to see case B, instantaneous reaction with high Cb. So same thing we have here, gas film, liquid film, and this is going to be the main body of the liquid, and this is the gas liquid boundary which we have seen in case A. Here we can find that in case A we had the reaction plane in the liquid film, right? That reaction plane is moving towards the gas liquid interface, and this here in case B, this reaction plane is staying at the gas liquid interface. And here this is instantaneous reaction. As I have said earlier, instantaneous reaction means the reaction which is taking place at very faster rate. And here this is going to be high Cb. So you can see here Pa is lower here and Cb is higher here in the profile diagram. Cb is higher. So here what is happening here is all the reaction is taking place in the reaction plane itself at the interface. The liquid reactant is moving towards the gas liquid interface, that is at the reaction plane, and the concentration of B is moving towards the reaction plane at the interface, and the reaction is taking place at the interface, that is at the gas liquid interface itself. So here you can say that gas film controls the reaction. So it doesn't matter whether the Cb is increasing to any extent, it will not have any effect since the gas film controls. So from this equation you can say that if this equation is satisfied, it is instantaneous reaction with high Cb. KAgPa is less than or equal to KBlCb divided by B. And here it is gas film controls. All the reaction is taking place in the gas film itself. In case A, you can see that it was liquid film controlling, since it was taking place in the liquid film at the reaction plane. And this is going to be the rate equation. Minus Ra double dash equal to KAgPa. As I have said earlier, any increase in concentration of Cb does not have any effect in the overall rate equation. So you can find that in the overall rate equation we have only mass transfer coefficient of gas film and partial pressure of A, since it is gas film controlling. Next we are going to see case C, which is going to be fast reaction with low Cb. So this is going to be fast reaction, but it is slower than instantaneous reaction. But still it is faster, little bit slower than instantaneous reaction. So here you can find that it is low Cb. So here Pa is higher and Cb is lower. So it is going to be low Cb. So as usual we are seeing gas film here, liquid film, main body of the liquid, and this is going to be boundary of the gas liquid interface. So gaseous reactant A is moving towards the gas liquid interface, and here you can find that there is decrease in concentration. As I have said already, it's due to the mass transfer resistance, there is decrease in concentration and decrease in pressure. And here the reaction is faster, so the reaction will take place within the liquid film itself. It will not cross to the main body of the liquid. And here you can find that there is a reaction zone. In this reaction zone, the reaction will take place. Here there is a spread of reaction zone. A will also move towards the reaction zone, and the liquid reactant B will also move towards the reaction zone, and the reaction will take place in the reaction zone within the liquid film. And this is going to be the rate equation. So in the rate equation, you can find a new term here called enhancement factor. So enhancement factor is defined as rate of uptake of A with reaction divided by rate of uptake of A with straight mass transfer. Next case we are going to see is fast reaction with high Cb. And this enhancement factor can be defined in terms of diffusivity. This is going to be the equation. Root of DAL Kcb divided by KAL. Next is fast reaction with high Cb. So this is going to be the profile diagram. Here it is going to be high Cb. So here you can find that Cb is higher than Pa from the profile diagram. So here any further increase in Cb will not affect the rate of reaction. So here you can consider this reaction as pseudo first order reaction. In the beginning of the class itself, I have said the stoichiometry equation, that is liquid reactant A reacts with gaseous reactant A reacts with a liquid reactant B, right? So our rate of reaction is going to be second order reaction, but here since Cb is very higher, we are going to neglect the concentration of B and we are going to consider the rate of reaction with respect to the concentration of A. So we are going to consider it as pseudo first order reaction. And here we can find that concentration gaseous reactant A moves towards the liquid reactant, and here there is a decrease in concentration. This is due to the mass transfer resistance, and here there is a spread of reaction zone. Since the reaction is faster, the reaction zone will spread within the liquid film itself and it will never cross to the main body of the liquid. So the reaction will take place in the liquid film within the reaction zone. And this is going to be the rate equation for fast reaction with high Cb. Next we are going to see case E and F, and this case E and F is going to be combined together. This is intermediate rate with respect to mass transfer. So here we are going to consider that the reaction is so slow. Since the reaction is very slow, what will happen? It will have plenty of time for the reaction to take place. So we can assume here that the reaction occurs both within the gas film and liquid film and in the main body of the liquid. So the reaction occurs in all the three places. So in the rate equation we can find that we have gas film resistance, liquid film resistance and liquid bulk resistance. So all the three resistance are playing a major role here. And here we can find that we have got a new term called FL. FL is going to be liquid hold up, which is defined as volume of liquid to the volume of the reactor. And this FL will play a major role for high volume of reactor instead of high surface area. Wherever high volume of reactor is required, FL plays a role over there. Next one is case G, that is slow reaction with respect to mass transfer. So here the reaction is assumed to be slower with respect to mass transfer. Since the reaction is very slow, what will happen is all the reaction will occur in all the films, that is in gas film, in liquid film, and in as well as in the main body of the liquid. So here you can find that gaseous reactant A is moving towards the liquid reactant, and due to mass transfer resistance there is decrease in pressure and concentration, and here also we have mass transfer resistance, so due to that there is decrease in concentration. So this is going to be slow reaction with respect to mass transfer. So in this you can find that all these three resistances are playing a major role since it is a slow reaction. So here gas film, liquid film as well as main body of the liquid has control over the reaction. That is, all three resistance are occurring since it is slow reaction. And this FL, as we have seen already, this is going to be liquid hold up. So here you can find that we have both mass transfer resistance Kag and Kal as well as chemical reaction constant K. And the last case is case H, infinitely slow reaction. So in infinitely slow reaction, mass transfer resistance is completely negligible. So in all other profile diagram which we have seen above, we can see that concentration and the pressure reduces for A and B, but here you can see that it is straight line. The profile diagram is straight line for both A as well as B. The reason is mass transfer resistance is negligible both in the gas film as well as in the liquid film. So the Ca and Cb is uniform throughout the liquid. So when we are determining the overall rate equation, we are neglecting the mass transfer resistance, that is Kag and Kal. We have to consider only the chemical reaction rate constant K. So you can find that rate equation minus Ra power 4 dash equal to K into Fl into CaCb. So here we are considering only the chemical reaction resistance K. So now we have completed all the 8 cases. This is going to be the general rate expression for mass transfer with reaction. So this is the general rate expression for mass transfer with reaction. Minus Ra power 4 dash equal to Pa divided by 1 by A into Kag plus Ha divided by A into Kale plus Ha divided by KCbFl. You will be using this equation while you are solving the problem. So I have given this general rate expression. So now we have seen all the 8 cases. We have seen the concentration profile diagram and rate equation for all the 8 cases. So this is going to be very important topic for your university examination, where you can expect at least any 2 cases. Thank you.